All right, 7's on your side right now with the Health Matters. The district has a high cancer mortality rate, especially among African Americans. That's why the Howard University Cancer Center is teaming up with Driver, a global technology platform to provide cancer patients with the best treatments and clinical trials. HU's Cancer Center Interim Director, Dr. Carla Williams, is here with Chief Executive Officer William Polkinghorn to tell us more about this program. So thank you both for your time this morning.
Thank you very much.
So let's talk first about the cancer patients in the African American community and what they might be lacking when it comes to health care and treatment.
Well, I think one of the important things to know is that patients often have interest in clinical trials, but it's really having the information that's needed to actually get them to the trials, and that's why this partnership with Driver is going to be so important. So we have patients who have access to the standards of care, but oftentimes there are advanced treatments that may happen at other institutions outside of where patients live.
And it's just a matter of, like you said, knowledge, knowing what's going on around you. So tell me, how does this platform, Driver, how does that kind of expand their knowledge?
We built Driver to solve the problem that today when you get cancer, whatever community you live in, whatever city you live in, as a patient, you walk into one hospital and interact with one doctor, and you walk out and you ask yourself, did I see all my options?
Right.
And this is 2018, where we're used to seeing all of our options, all of our book options, all of our movie options, all of our flight options. And so Driver has been built to open up the time capsule of medicine and bring the power of those platforms to the patient so that when they get cancer, through an app, they can download their records and their tissue. We get all of the information and we show the patient the best treatments that they're available for in our partner network.
Okay, now when you say partner network, are we talking about just in the DMV area, or are your partners all around?
All over the country.
Oh, wow.
The National Cancer Institute, Mayo Clinic, Cleveland Clinic, Stanford, UCSF, Duke, University of North Carolina, over 35 partners.
Wow.
And we've onboarded all of their advanced treatments so that a patient, without leaving their home, can get access to all of them, as if they've been simultaneously evaluated in all of those hospitals.
Now, how do patients get on board with this? How do they have access to this?
So you go to driver.xyz, you sign up, you download an app. Through that app, we get the basic information that we need to filter all of those treatments for you. We bring you an oncologist to review all of those options.
Wow.
And the patient has the opportunity to pick one of those options, and then we facilitate the referral.
Is there a cost related to this?
There is a cost. It's $3,000, which is a ton of money.
It is.
Through our platform, you can launch a GoFundMe campaign, so you can pool that cost among your friends and your loved ones, but it's still a ton of money. And so when we were launching our company, which we're launching today, it was really important for us to also give this life-changing access to some patient populations who traditionally have not had as much access. And that's the basis of our partnership with Howard. So for Howard patients, it's completely cost-free.
Awesome.
Driver covers 100% of the cost, and we're really excited about what we can do in partnership with Howard, not just in terms of the program that we've started today, but in terms of other programs that we can do in the future.
Yeah. Are you hearing from your patients that they feel like they need more access?
Absolutely. Patients often ask us, what about clinical trials? And so what this platform is going to help us do is to be able to tremendously increase the efficiency and speed of screening patients to see if they may be eligible. And that's going to get the information into the hands of the patients, their providers, and their caregiver team so that they can make a decision about whether or not the trial is going to be right for them.
Absolutely. Okay, tell me again where we can get Driver.
Driver.xyz.
Driver.xyz. Thank you both for being here this morning. I appreciate your time.
Thank you very much.
All right. Well, still ahead here on Good Morning Washington, a lot of people are living Mas. Taco Bell named Best Mexican Restaurant according to a new poll. Ugh. But that's not sitting well with some folks on social media. We'll weigh in with our thoughts coming up next.